Welcome to RPA Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about UiPath comparison of two workflow in Orchestrator. So whenever we are working with any of the workflow, the sequence in the UiPath, and we are pushing this complete project into Orchestrator, then how we'll compare two versions of workflow in UiPath Orchestrator. So we'll explain you how we can do it practically. So if you want to learn in detail, don't miss a single bit of video, otherwise you will lose important informations. To perform this, let's say we have this workflow and we have pushed with version 1.4, and after that after few days I modified same workflow with few changes, but somehow I did it through my account in the organizations, and any of my team member who wants to view what all changes I did, then probably this is the best options. They can do it in the orchestrator. They don't have to go ahead in UiPath Studio. They can directly verify through orchestrator. So let's understand how we can do it. Let's say we have published a package which is available in the package repository. Here, let's consider I'm selecting this options, and from here I will just select explore packages. In explore package sections, we will have both the versions available. If you can see here, this is the version detail. If I will select any of the package, I will be able to see the workflow. From here, we can reset it. So when I'm resetting, it will change it completely. If I want to zoom out, I will just click on this. Probably in the zoom in options, I will select this. And here we can expand all if we have any collaboration. So let's say in this applications, we want to expand. Here you can see the expanded workflow. Now, to do the comparisons, we have to select the different flow. Let's consider I want to do the comparisons of this workflow as well as this second one. Here we have to select this comparison icon is available. Now, if you can see this compare, once I select, we'll have compare and cancel. Both the options are listed here. Now, to do the comparisons, simply we have to select the first version workflow and second one, and once we'll click on compare, we'll have both the workflow listed here. Because I did not make any changes, so you can see here the count is 0. If we have any differences, we can see it, modified or deleted any of the options, we can see it. So if I added any of the additional details, I can see count plus 1. If I added modified, then probably this will have the modified icon. And if we have removed any of these activities, we will see in the deleted options. So this is how we can perform the comparisons. Other than that, we can also see different options. In the comparison sections, this is a very important part where we can see the variables detail. If we want to perform the variable related information that also available here, we can see the variable arguments and import sections. Other than that, if you want to see the second workflow details, we will also have this detail available. So this is very interesting comparison method which is available in UiPath Orchestrator. You can compare two workflow versions together without downloading in Studio, which is very important part of UiPath Orchestrator. So that's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed this component. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.